Tractor Alley. Hey, it's Dwayne, the Independent Farm Boy. Row crop 77 wide front end. Super M's, John Deere's, cases. Fella's got a little everything. This goes to show you, you can't have too many tractors. Super M's, C's. There's an A. Put the 1020 down in or what? Pretty good collection. This feller's got his own tractor show. You walk out and see tractors everywhere. Love it. McCormick Dairy. Alice Chalmers. That a 450?
Oh, what is that? Is that 88?
I believe it might be.
That's a
77.
A couple 77s.
Not John Deere's.
There's a 16.
There's the 80s back, or the 70s back there.
Yeah.
$1,600. I had to get back to those 80s.
Oh, we took a long way around that,
I think we did.
Hood off of a 60.
I don't know. These have got Continental engines in them.
Yeah.
Instead of the Waukesha. Yeah, that's the aluminum. You say they did that because of the war?
Yeah.
World War II.
You can see how brittle that gets.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that one over there is steel aluminum. That's the steel one there.
This I thought was the nicest anyway.
Yeah, it looks like it. But none of them have side panels on them, do they?
No. People may have them around here. There's a hood, new hood over there laying off of 70.
This is actually the tires are holding there a little bit.
Well, I made kind of a little short video today. Hope you enjoyed looking at all those old tractors. That guy, he's a kind of collector. Started out with 81 tractors. Now he's down to about 69. But as we was over there, my boy made a deal with him. I think he's going to trade his Farmall H off and get maybe a couple Oliver 70s off of this fella. Some other future videos here will be on that 77 we're working on. We bought another 77 today off of our Oliver dealer over there in Illinois. We're going to take the hydraulics off it and take the that lifter they have on those. I forget what they call those now, but that kind of a power lift. We're going to take that off and put a hydraulics on that 77. It had an aftermarket, somebody had made a 3-point hitch. We're going to see if we can redesign that a little bit. Maybe even put a 3-point hitch on that 77. We'll see how it comes out. Some of the other projects we're working on here, you'll see in the future, is this ZB. I'm working here on it. Working on picking up a 3-point hitch there for it. we can make it happen. Got this bars here. We're going to try to fit those on there for lift arms and get that going. So we got some future projects coming up. We've got that 77 we're working on, plus the other 77. We'll probably get it going too, fix it up, probably sell it. But then we also are going to have maybe 1 or 2 Model 70 Olivers that we can work on. And that gets us down just to 2 tractors. The Minneapolis Molines that I have, and my boy then will be all Oliver, and I have several Olivers myself. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.